Today is a beach day with the family. That's my sister. Say hi. Okay, yeah, and we're on our way to the beach. Why does that? So we go with things right here. It's my vlog. Para my YouTube. So we got, this is for the ice, my Gatorade, our floaties, our chairs, Coca-Cola, and the fam. Or our brand smart, because we need to buy someone's presents, I don't know why. Don't worry, just wait. So me and my sister are on these chairs that like do things like that, and it's hurting my back. It's freaking vibrating and it's so tight on my feet. I can't even get it. It's too short. Okay, hold on. Zero gravity. Oh, I'm going up. I'm going down. I'm going down. I feel like I'm freaking fall. We're done. And we got like all these. It's getting really cloudy.
Dicen algo parecido, pero tiene que ser de cojo.
Oprah.
Ah, Oprah. ¿En esa casa? ¿Esa era?
These are freaking cool. Like right in front of. God damn, that's so long. We're here. No, no tengo Wi-Fi. So cuando. Yeah. Selfie stick. We're out.
Sí.
We are on our way to go eat. Go eat. We are? Next to Lake Red Beach. It's gonna die soon, so. So for me, I got my own floaty. Hello. And I got my own Gatorade because my dog said I could drink soda and stuff like that. I don't want it. And my own goggles.
Thinking, got a bucket full of dreams that all lead to him. He's not shy, knows how to fly through a second-hand sky.